Hi everyone, my name is Ken. Welcome to This House. Today we are at the Chain of Rocks Bridge just north of St. Louis, Missouri, exploring these water intake towers and Old Route 66. Towering from the wake of the Mississippi River are a pair of mysterious towers. But why are they here, and what is their purpose? Let's find out. In the late 1800s, as the city of St. Louis experienced rapid population growth, a solution was needed to provide more water for the inhabitants. The city began searching for a location upstream from the industrial plants. Here they found a mostly natural chain of rocks that created a very shallow section in the Mississippi River. The decision was made to create a water intake tower in the Mississippi River to pump water and send it into the city. At this time, the residents of St. Louis were used to drinking water and bathing in the murky water that came from the river, so drawing more water from the river seemed to be the obvious answer. In 1894, William S. Eames designed Water Intake Tower No. 1 on an oval platform in the Romanesque style. The tower is still in use to this day by the St. Louis Water Works and pumps water through a 7-foot wide pump to the Chain of Rocks plant. As the population continued to grow, a second water intake tower would be added in 1915. This tower was designed by Roth and Studdy, who were inspired to build it in the Roman Renaissance style. Unlike the first water intake tower, this one would be designed with living quarters to house 24/7 workers. The workers were responsible for controlling how much water would be drawn from the river and sent to the plant. Today, the tower is still in use by the city as a backup to Water Intake Tower No. 1. However, it is no longer occupied nor ran by workers as all systems have been electronically automated. Both of these towers were designated as city landmarks in 1971. Just north of these towers, and spanning the width of the river, is another interesting feat of engineering. Built in 1929, the old Chain of Rocks Bridge spanned 5,300 feet across the river and served as part of the historic Route 66, which facilitated automobile travel between Illinois and Missouri. The bridge famously contains a 22-degree bend on the Missouri side as it pivots to continue onward. In 1970, the bridge was closed to automobile traffic and was considered for demolition. However, decisions for the fate of the bridge would be slow in the making. In 1998, the bridge was leased by TrailNet, who spent millions of dollars to convert it for pedestrian use. Today, you can ride your bike or walk across the bridge to enjoy the breathtaking views of the mighty Mississippi River and to gain a close-up view of the water intake towers. Thank you all for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on This House.